Almost everybody of us has experienced back pain at some point in our life. It can happen after a fall or an accident and cause physical suffering for many years to come. Back pain can also be the aftereffects of daily activities when performed incorrectly, such as sitting in a wrong position while using the computer for long hours, twisting the hand while trying to reach out an object, bending down to vacuum the floor, or carrying heavy shopping bags. Back pain is a common condition, but there are many remedies to reduce back pain. In this video, we are going to show you the 10 different ways to reduce back pain. 1. Exercise. The best thing for controlling back pain is as you wake up in the morning and exercise immediately. If you are not in good shape, you will hurt your back even when you do simple day-to-day activities. Regular exercise helps to ease muscle tension. 2. Quit smoking. If you have addicted to smoking, it is right time you should quit it, because smoking causes back pain too. Most people know that smoking increases the risk of heart attack or lung cancer. However, smoking also affects your back health. Smoking narrows the blood vessels that result in nutrient and oxygen deficient spinal cord. Back pain can be reduced by changing lifestyle. The first step: start to change by quitting smoking. 3. Eat the right food. Eating a balanced diet is necessary to maintain your weight and to keep stress away from the body. Avoid eating spicy food because it stresses the nervous system and increases back problems. Add fresh vegetables, fruits and lean meats to your diet to have a well-functioning digestive system. 4. Monitor your weight. If you are suffering from back pain, it is essential to keep a strict eye on your weight. Maintaining a good eating habit will ensure a controlled weight, which will help reduce your back pain. If you indulge eating junk food, then it will add to your weight, which in turn will put more stress on your body, resulting in back pain. 5. Pay attention to sleeping position. Remember, to avoid back pain, it is always recommended not to sleep on your back. Instead, it is always good to sleep on your sides. If you wish to sleep on your stomach, a good idea is to put a pillow under the lower part of your abdomen. That will help reduce the stress. A support pillow and mattress will give you a better sleep. Good sleep is the key to maintaining a healthy life. 6. Watch your posture. It is vital to maintain the right posture while sitting at a computer for at least 7 to 8 hours a day. People slouch over their seats while working at the office, which generates a lot of stress around the back. Try to sit at an up-front position while working at home or office, and always take breaks between long periods of work. Perform stretching exercises to reduce stress. 7. Careful lifting. You should always be careful while lifting objects from the ground. It is advised not to bend from your waist while lifting heavy objects. Refrain from twisting your body while lifting objects and pushing heavy objects instead of pulling them. 8. Ignore high heels. If you do not want your lower back to be strained, avoid wearing high heels. High heels move the center of gravity of your body and cause stress to your back. If you must wear a heel, go for the ones that are of 1 inch. 9. Avoid tight clothing. If you experience back pain, stay away from those skinny clothes and jeans that you have in your closet. They interfere with bending and sitting and increase back pain. 10. Reduce stress. Stress can be bad for your back. Stress tenses the muscles, and muscle tension aggravates back pain. An excellent way to reduce stress is by practicing yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. Many people have been a victim of back pain and cannot find a way to overcome it. The good news is, following the tips mentioned in our video can be very helpful in reducing your back pain. And if you are seriously looking for an effective back pain relief program, then we highly recommend you to click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. We hope you find our video helpful. Remember to like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel to see more videos like this in the future.